Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Okay, so first of all, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. I'm just sharing my opinion. I'm not asking anyone to do anything based on my opinion. Okay, so as I had advised in my last video, today is 24th of March, of course. So my last video on 23rd of March, the market did dip or did crash, and it is still going to crash a bit more until 26th of March. Basically, the market won't be stable. So if you're planning to buy Ethereum for long term, this is a perfect time. Ethereum has been holding its position, of course, between 1650 to 1700s, 1650 to $1,700, between this range. So if you are planning to get into Ethereum for long term and basically sell it once it's 2000, 2500 and above, it's the perfect time to get into the market. But if you're day trading, if you're trading on leverage, to be very honest, do not get into the market, especially Ethereum. Of course, Bitcoin is a different thing. You can do leverage, still you can do leverage trading on Bitcoin, but be very careful with that. But Ethereum, if you want my advice, don't get into it if you're day trading. Until 26th, this is going to be the condition. Best price, in my opinion, I of course got into Ethereum. I got some at 1700, some at 1690. Then I put an order for 1630, which didn't get fulfilled yet. So I'm of course buying all for long term, not day trading. I did a small day trade on Bitcoin to USD between 54,900, and I closed it at 55,350, I think, approximately around that much. I didn't make much profit, but I just did it for fun because I was bored. And I saw some other YouTubers were doing it on live. One of the main people who I watch is Crypto Face, who has made Market Cipher. So once I saw he's doing the live trading, I just got into it. But otherwise, if you are doing day trading, don't get into Ethereum. Best price to buy Ethereum right now is around 1600s. See, at the end of the day, whether you buy it at 1630 or 1650 or 1690, it doesn't make a difference, because at the end of the day it's gonna go about 2500. So the 20-30 dollars will not make a difference. But just to keep things excited, we put the order at 1630 or 1640. If it gets fulfilled, very good. If no, then I'm not gonna cry over it, because I already have enough heat. So that's the price to look at. And I hope you guys found this video useful, and happy trading. Take care. Bye bye.